4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20.
38, 32, 36, 40. I'll
Erase.
erase now. Okay. So let's have this one. Okay, so we will mix the multiplication with 2 digits, and then multiplication 1 to 4. Okay? Or we can also include 0. Okay? So 0 to 4. 0 to 4 multiplication. Okay, remember, when you multiply any number by 0 is, what's the answer? Any number.
0.
Any number multiplied by 1 is?
Itself. The number
itself.
itself.
Okay. So let's go now, ha? So I have here 20 times 4. Wow. So answer now, answer. You may draw your answer here. Not there. Not there. Okay, draw your answer.
Wait. Can I just do text?
You can, yes, you can.
Because I like the format B. No, that's not it. 4 times
So,
0.
0 times 4.
Can you see my typing?
Yes. What's next to be multiplied? What's next to multiply? What are you going to multiply next?
4 times 2 times 4 is 2 times 4 is
Go! Okay, very good. 80. How about this? $41 times 3 equals. What are you going to multiply first? What will you multiply first?
That is easy. That is 3.
Easy? Okay, go.
3. 3.
Then, what shall you multiply next?
4 times 3. That's it. 4 times 3 again. Let's think. 16.
Huh? No.
12.
Okay, 12.
2.
So the answer
May 21.
is... Oh, where is your 12?
1.
Okay, so the answer is 153.
1.
How about this?
It's like you count 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yes. How about this? 23 times go. 23
Is the last
times
one?
2. Not yet.
Is the last one?
Not yet. 5 more.
5 more. 3 times 2. 6, yeah, 6.
Then,
6 is the answer. Boom.
then, what shall you
2 times 2
multiply
is 4. 2 times 2 is 4.
So the answer is 46. So how about this?
1 and 3, 1 and 3.
1 and 1. 1 and 1.
1 and 1.
Yes, like
Oh
this.
yeah, 1
Okay,
and 1.
again.
Forgot.
First is this one. 3 and 1. 3 and 2. Next. 1 and 1. 1 and 2. Okay? So again, 3 and 1. 3 and 2. Then 1 and 1. Again, what's the answer when you have 1 times 1?
Times 1 times 1 equals 1. The number
Okay, where
itself.
shall we write the 1? Is it below 3 or below 6?
Below 6.
Okay, below 6. Then what shall you multiply next?
1 and 2. Or 2 and 1.
2. So 2 times 1?
And 6.
2 times 1?
2.
2. So we will write here beside 1. Okay? Then write the equal sign, the line, the equal line. 3. What shall we do in here? You're going to? What are we going to do? Add or subtract?
Add these.
Add. So what shall you do? What are you going to do? What shall we write over here? What shall we write over here?
We write 3. Because it's blank.
Okay, write 3. And then, what's next?
Next is 6.
6 and
6 and 2.
huh? Look at the unlined numbers. 6 plus
6 plus 1.
and then
6. 2 plus blank equals 2.
okay. So 273. Okay? You practice like this, huh? Okay? We will continue doing more of this up to table 4 only. So it's from 0 to 4 tables.